What is up, brothers? Bro, last night, amazing meet. It was a Friday night meet for S1K Rafa and Fastlane D. Dog, there was like 7 fucking SVs and SVJ Lamborghinis. One of the dudes let me sit in one. That was pretty fucking awesome. But they were just revving the piss out of those things. There was fucking, dude, flames were like crazy big. Yeah, man, that thing was cool as fuck. That video will probably be up before this one. Right now we're going to my boy Ivan's house to meet up, and there's a ride out to the Used Bikes Direct meet, S1K Rafa and Fastlane D as well. It's their morning like bikes and coffee type of meet, so that should be fun. Get to see all the homies again. But last night was crazy. I can't wait to put that video out. It's probably out already, so I'll probably put that video out in the next few days, because today is Saturday, and then this video will drop probably like a few more days after that one. But this meet should be pretty good too. I'm sure a lot of more bikes are going to show up. I mean, there was like tons of cars, tons of bikes last night. And also, again, I appreciate the fucking support on the past videos, the whole YouTube channel. Started it 4 months ago, and the past 3 videos have all gotten over 1,000 views, and that's amazing for me. And we just hit 500 subscribers on the road to 1,000. So hopefully we get 1,000 by the end of the year. We got November, like 2 more months left. I think we could. Depends how video does, you know. But I'm trying to talk more in the videos, because a lot of it is just fucking, you know, the intro and then getting at it. But I don't talk while I'm getting at it because I'm fucking locked in. But I want to try to talk to y'all more in the intros like this and shit. Feel like it'd be a little more entertaining. Y'all let me know in the comments. What do you like? You like the intros I do and just getting after it, or you want like this a little bit, and some, or just I could do both too. I can mix match it. Some videos I'll be like this, talking a little bit, and then other videos I'll be, you know, just getting it. I mean, we're obviously still gonna get it on the way there. I know there's the ride out. I don't know how. I mean, obviously it's gonna be kind of slow, but we are breaking off early so we can get there first and be able to have good parking. Cause, dude, the Used Bikes Direct here in Houston, the parking is very fucking limited. So we're gonna have to. We already planned that we're gonna break off the ride out, like once we're about to get there, so then we can just have good parking, you know. But we're going to meet up with my boy Jared over here, up here on the street, and then we're gonna go to Ivan's. But I will see y'all whenever we are leaving Ivan's. Peace. What the fuck? Watch out, watch out. What the fuck? Alright, boys. Made it here to the gas station. Yesterday we washed the bike, so this morning we just wiped it down a little bit, but my baby looks good. Got Mr. Jared over here, Ivan, and then Ethan's on the other side. But we're about to go ahead and head to that ride out in a minute. We were getting gas, filling up. But yeah, I think it's like a 40 minute ride most likely. It's 8:30 now. We got to be there by 9:30, so give or take around there. So I'll catch up boys when we get on the road. No, I would never! that's a double white line. You can't do that. You can't do that. Dude, that R1 looks so fucking mean. Yeah, sir. From so far away, that shit looks like a demon coming up. Nope. There's 2 people. What is goody, boys? We are back. We're getting ready for this fucking ride out to Use Bikes Direct. Been sitting here for like an hour. Here's everyone we got. Good little. There'll be a lot more bikes at the actual meet, I'm assuming, but we got quite a bit here. Turbo Busa, I think it's fucking nasty. Damn. But let's get this shit. God damn. And we're already 12 o'clock in that shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, that H2 is crazy. Look at his license plate. Yeah. Oh my god. God damn, that's 12 o'clock as fuck. time, and you're right too again. My turn! Tells me up here. Sheriff to the right. Cop, 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 cop. I know! Ah! W braking. Fuck. What? Hell no, I'm not walking that. It's angled as fuck. Alright, brothers. Made it to Used Bike Direct. Holy shit. It's the most bikes I have ever seen here, honestly. I got S1K Rafa booth and Fastlane D over that way. But I'll probably bring the camera in, show y'all some of the bikes and what's going on over there. And yeah, boys.
Oh, this Harlem is crazy.
That's looking bike, bro.
Damn. Fireblade. Go to the Fastlane D booth. Fastlane D booth is all. H2, M, Ducati. Some other bikes over here. And we got the S1K Rafa. So it's nice. Yeah. Jesus. God bless. Oh my god. This one's crazy, dude. KTM. Dude, so much. I bet that thing is so light. Pretty good turnout. I think we're about to head out right now. We got all these bikes. Damn. Pretty good. Alright, we're good.
I see another friend all the way up there. I thought it was behind me. I was like, oh fuck.